Success starts with a simple yet powerful question. What is most important for the next 3, 6 or 12 months? Wrong decisions can be corrected once results begin to roll in, but indecision or abandoned efforts teach us nothing. If we don't commit, we don't progress. Setting priorities is crucial. Where should we focus our energy? What objectives will drive meaningful results? The best goal setting systems start with disciplined thinking at the top. Leaders who invest time and effort in choosing what truly counts. Google found direction through its mission, organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. From Android and Google Earth to Chrome and the improved YouTube search engine, every innovation stemmed from this vision. Their founders didn't just brainstorm ideas, they committed to them through clear objectives and key results, ensuring focused and measurable success. But here is the thing, great ideas aren't limited by hierarchy. A strong vision can come from anywhere, but it needs structured execution to thrive. Leaders must do more than set company-wide goals. They need personal goals that align with their mission. Structured goal setting doesn't succeed by command, it thrives through clarity, communication, and action. So ask yourself, what truly matters? Where will you focus your efforts? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button for more insights on achieving success.